Nice rainy session we've got here on this Token Tuesday. I'm embracing the rain, standing out in it. That's what I do. Definitely the end of the summer weather, and we got some pretty shit times, but it ain't too bad. Smoking on some Trainwreck today. Let me know what you guys are token on in the comments, where you're tuning in from, and fucking what the weather is like where you're living. It's pretty fucking shit here in the UK. It's becoming winter. Yeah, so cheers if you're watching this Token Tuesday episode. Hope you're appreciating the nice content out there. I know, yeah. More videos to come, so stay tuned and watch all the older vids that you haven't watched before. I've got many, including all the travel vids and smoke sessions in Peru and shit like that. Stay tuned, stay stoned, my friends. Cheers for watching.